Hi guys, so this is how I will be voice-overing my vlogs kasi tamad ako mag-edit. So, for this series, I went on an Arky adventure kind of. So, I was discovering what kind of Arky stuff I can find here and what I know about them. So, I have voiceovers for those parts also. And yeah, please enjoy. Thank you. Yippee! We are here in Kiyosumi Garden. So Kiyosumi Garden was owned by a lot of people, but the most notable one would be Iwasaki Yataro, the founder of Mitsubishi. And this garden was created to serve as a place for recreation of the employees of Mitsubishi, as well as a reception place for distinguished guests. This place is known because it has the Kaiju style or the circuit style garden, which was famous in the Meiji period. It included a large pond drawing water from Sumida River. Well, not now, but there are also man-made hills and also valuable stones which were collected from all over the country. So this garden is composed of the Daisensui or the large pond in the middle. There's also the Meiseki, which are the stones which were collected from all around Japan. A man-made hill named Fujisan. An architecture built by the water form called Ryote. And then the stepping stones called Isowatari. Wow. Look at that. This one too. I'll zoom it in. Tambayan yan, no? There's my bridge. Definitely need to draw. Grabe. Pero gagala muna tayo bago mag-drawing. So today, I am in Fukagawa, Edo. Fukagawa Park. So this park is historic because it was made in the Edo period, and apparently is a garden ng isang mayamang pamilya na Hapon. So ito. Yung mga bonsai na nandito and the stones and that man-made hill, I think that's the man-made hill, where a show of status also happened. And then there's a tea house over there. I'll go there later kasi it has architectural significance. Nagdo-drawing talaga ako mamaya. Isang stone na may-ari ng pamilya. It's engraved with like a name. I think that's how it works. So yeah, please keep off the glass. Ano po? Ganda dito mag-drawing. Sayang wala si Juan. Nakagat pa akong lamok. Wait. So dito tayo. Yan mo. Then there's the house. Oh, ang gandang anggulo dito. Yun o. Yes. Kung may oras pa ako mag-drawing, doon na lang ako mag-drawing. Pero kung wala, sorry na lang. Kailangan ko makapunta doon sa architecture building. Hi! Game, sa speedrun natin to. Kasi baka magsara. It's already 3:45. Pero ang sarado ay 5. So, yeah. Grabe, may mga island pa talaga dito. Yeah, I forgot the name of the park. I should remember the name of the park. Ganda rin dito. Damn. One times ko. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna stay here until 5. Sekibutsugun. I don't know what that means. You know. Sekibutsugun. Hindi ko alam ibig sabihin nun. And here is the man-made, I think ito yun, man-made hill. Correct. Yan. Papilok ako, bumiligan. And there's the house. Over there. Okay. More stones. Oh, they have a number. Over there. So, these stones were like collected from the whole country daw. So, ganun sila kayaman, I guess. This looks like may nagpo-flow na water dito dati. Kasi may ganyan. And the stream is leading up to there. Used to be water generating then. Wow. Let's take more pictures. Because I prefer pictures more than drawings. Almost circled the path. And I can't find the stamp thing. Did I miss the stamp thing? I don't know. Maybe we should ask. Oh, that. Okay, so yung totoong rason kung ba't ako nasa pond na to or nasa lugar na to, I'm 1 hour away from my home right now. But the purpose why I'm here is dapat maglalaro badminton. Well, mamaya pa naman 6 o'clock, pero dito na tayo eh. Like, dapat may gawin tayong iba. So nag-search ako ng gagawin. Eto. Nag-search tayo ng gagawin. Hindi pwedeng magkakape lang tayo. Ha? Oh. Diba? Hindi pwedeng magkakape lang tayo sa coffee shop. Dapat tayo mag-i-explore, magpapawis. Oh. Everyone is enjoying nature. Ako rin. Enjoy. Muntik na matwist ang tuhod. Okay, sarado na yung park. Sakto. 5 o'clock, nakapag-drawing pa ako. Ayan. So, ngayon, we're gonna go to the badminton court. Tapos, ang option papuntang badminton court is by bus galing dito, pero maglalakad na lang tayo, tipid sa pera, tapos mag-explore pa ako. Hindi naman siguro ako mawawala. Ay. Hindi daw naka-tune, so i-tune natin. Maybe heaven is too close enough to touch. Find it hard to believe that someone there is waiting with arms open wide, smiling. It's so hard to believe. If someone told me that suffering is what you get for living. I wanted that to be this way. Just a little bit of love can mean so much. Oh, please don't take it all away. Maybe heaven is too close enough to touch. Wow. Ay, naku po. It's actually night time. Nabutan ako. Hindi naman. 9:38 ng gabi. Last train sa 12. Wait? Yoasobi no ba siya ko? Wait. Lugar daw ni Yoasobi. Wait. I don't think that's not the artist. It has Yoasobi's music, so yeah. Need to find the station. Yeah. Gutom na ako. Maghahanap tayo. Ang new life hack ko ngayon ay maghanap ng gyudon spot. Always pagkagutom. Satisfies my cravings. But not here. Because, bakit nga ba? Yeah, not here. Kasi pag nalate ako ng uwi, GG. Anyways, hanap tayo ng kakainan. Bye-bye. I'm in Shibuya. Senta Gai. Yeah, Shibuya Senta. Lalakad lang tayo kasi yung umuwi. Sipin niyo yun. Parang I'm walking but in Shibuya. So flex. So anyway,
it's like a break.
haba na ng buko, wala na akong bangso. Oh, cars. Shibuya Crossing, going to Shibuya Crossing. My train station's there. So, hindi ako pupunta doon. Ikot muna tayo. Gonna rediscover Shibuya. Yeah. Gotta wait for the stoplight lang. Joke lang, nakakatakot. Uwi na lang ako. It's already 11:12. So, adventure is galing tayong Uniqlo. Oh, walking. Then, we will go to Imperial Palace. We're gonna go to the Imperial Palace just for a walk. Then, Starbucks. Kasi may magandang view daw ng Imperial Palace doon. Grabe ang hangin. Man, I can't draw this thing anymore. I tried drawing, pero here, grabe. The structural in this building so crazy. I mean, aside from the aesthetic, I like the brown here. Pero structural is insane. It only has 2 columns. This one and then this one. Then how they connect the structural part of the column is over there. It goes like that and then goes to there. Then it's supported by tension rods also. Then since it's glass, I think it's relatively lighter, so they took advantage of that. Then I think those also support, yeah, these 2 columns support the overhangs there. Crazy, you know. Then these are like trusses also. Wow, I want to look inside but I really can't. There's the inside. I can't go inside. But anyway, yeah, this structure is like, then paliit, galing, it's curved outside also. Nice. Currently, there's also this detail, like there's an outdoor entrance connecting this place. I don't know what this place is honestly. Then connects to the convention center. Wow. Okay, so this time, nahanap natin ang dating bangko ng Mizo Bank. Dating building. So here. Yan o. It's that one. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo, may building na nasa taas nun. It's the new bank, I think. Like, new building. So, ano meron dito? So, this was the first bank of Mizuho Bank. Parang siyang land bank or BPI ng Pinas. Then, they tried renovating it, I think. But I think parang may planong gibain din to. It's like old. Square down. Kasi kung makikita nyo yung mga details niya is galing pang, man, I forgot the era. Imperial ata. Yeah. So, ano ba? Yeah, yun no. Everything's napapaligiran. Tapos ang alam ko, connected na lang to dito sa taas. Pero soon, baka gibain. Yeah. Nice. Ayos. Next destination, Imperial Palace. But I don't think you can go there upon reservation daw dapat. So, we're just gonna look. Ayun yung at I think part ng Imperial Palace lang yan. Laki ng ano. Ang wide ng ang wide ng park na to. All green space and ayun. I forgot the name. Masashige ata yung pangalan ng statue na yan. Like, I don't know what the significance is, but okay. Lakad-lakad na lang. Oh, pwede mag-picture doon. I see people there. We are gonna go. Nice. Here we are. Pero ang liit lang na nakikita. It's hidden. Well, it's architecturally meant to be like that. Grabe yung detail ng ano. This one stops the rocks from. Wow. at the trees. Looks so cute. Hindi, pero this is garden taken care of. Then that's why it looks like that. Then, yan tayo dito. The palace is, the part of the palace is over there. Hindi pala siya kita mula dito. Ayos. I think that's the, I forgot the name of the bridge. Nijibashi? Ayan ko. Okay. Number 3.5. Do you see how this park looks like a park? But then, wala tayong masyadong paki sa mga building na yan. Kasi dapat may boundary yung parang kung saan yung mga building and kung saan yung mga wait, ang hirap. Anyway, yun no. Para hindi overwhelming tignan yung park. Ay, yung buildings from this park. So, do I explain? Yeah, I will explain. So, syempre, if you're gonna transition, let's say you're from that building, then you're gonna transition to here, you should feel like you're in the park. So, there are transition spaces that are used so that yung transition spaces na yun, it will tell you that you are in the park. So, some of that, there are restrictions to like building height. You see halos ganyang kataas lang yung mga building, and it goes along a perimeter around para hindi masyado madisturbo yung scene ng park. Oh my god, I'm grabe. Yeah, so ang hirap i-explain. I need to like draw it. But yeah, dapat may ganito sa Pinas. Alam niyo yung Rizal Park, tapos may DMCI building sa likod. Yeah, that sucks. So, dapat gayahin niyo to. It looks like a park because the architectural rules allow it to make it look like a park. Yun, no? Gagong ganda. Sheesh. Yeah, so anyway. Yippee! So, many things happened actually this May, but I'm happy that this month was jam-packed with full of adventures and stuff and whatever that I wanted to do. So, thank you for watching this video. And, yeah, I don't know how to end this, so this will be me doing a sketch of the bear over there while having coffee there in the coffee shop. Okay, bye!